Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to the next video of our channel, जिसमें हम गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स एंड देयर मिनिस्ट्रीज़ के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सो दिस विल बी अ क्विक रिवीजन वीडियो. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. पहल, that is direct benefit transfer. Ministry is Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. प्रधानमंत्री उज्ज्वला योजना, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. National LED Program Ujala stands for Unnat Jyoti by Affordable LED for All. Ministry of Power. Green Corridor Project by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Green Highway Policy, Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. Namami Gange Scheme, Ministry of Water Resources, Ministry of Environment, Urban Development, Shipping, Tourism and Rural Development and coordinating with Water Resource Ministry in it. National Mission for Green India, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Crime and Criminal Tracking Network and System CCTNS by Ministry of Home Affairs. Digital India Scheme by Ministry of Communication, implemented by entire government machinery in their respective domains. DigiLocker by Ministry of Communication and IT. eBiz, Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industries, implemented by Infosys. E-Court Mission Mode Project, Ministry of Law and Justice. The project is being implemented by National Informatics Center, NIC, Ministry of IT. Jeevan Praman by Department of Electronics and IT, Ministry of Communication and IT. National Optical Fiber Network, NOFN, by Department of Electronics and IT. Nowcast by Ministry of Agriculture, collaborative effort between M-Kisan portal developed by DAC, Weather Technologies adopted by IMD and GIS portal of NIC. Pragati scheme, proactive governance and timely implementation by Prime Minister's Office. Startup India scheme by DIPP, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. India Aspiration Fund and Smile Loans by Ministry of Finance. Atal Pension Yojana by Ministry of Finance, administered by Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Mudra Bank and Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana by Ministry of Finance. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana by Ministry of Finance. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana again by Ministry of Finance. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana by Ministry of Finance. Stand Up India by Department of Financial Service, DFS, Ministry of Finance. Sovereign Gold Bonds by Ministry of Finance in association with RBI Gold Monetization Scheme by Ministry of Finance. Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi by Ministry of Health and Family Affairs Welfares. Jan Aushadhi Scheme by Department of Pharmaceuticals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Janani Suraksha Yojana by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Mission Indradhanush by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. National Health Assurance Mission by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. National Rural Health Mission by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. National Urban Health Mission by Ministry of Health and Family Members implemented by Ministry of Urban Development, Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation, Human Resource Development and Women and Child Development. National Ayush Mission by Department of Ayush, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. National Health Protection Scheme by Ministry of Finance. Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Pharma Jan Samadhan Scheme by National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority, Department of Pharma, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Earlier it was under Ministry of Labour and Employment. Bharatmala Project by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana by Ministry of Power. Ganga Gram Yojana by Ministry of Water Resources. Integrated Power Scheme by Integrated Power Development Scheme by Ministry of Power. Mega Food Park Scheme by Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Recently we have seen in the news there are 7 mega food parks to be constructed in India. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana by Ministry of Rural Development. Project Mausam by Ministry of Culture implemented by Archaeological Survey of India as a nodal agency. RURBAN, also known as Shyama Prasad Mukherjee R Urban Mission, Ministry of Rural Development. Sagarmala Scheme, Ministry of Shipping. Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana by Ministry of Rural Development. Setu Bhartiyam, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Swachh Bima Abhiyan, Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitization for Grameen and Ministry of Urban Development for urban areas. UDAY stands for Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojana by Ministry of Power. Amended Technology Upgradation Fund Scheme by Ministry of Textile. Make in India program by Ministry of Commerce and Industries. National Investment and Manufacturing Zone, Ministry of Commerce and Industries. ग्राम उदय से भारत उदय अभियान run jointly by Ministries of Rural Development, Agriculture, Social Justice, Labor and Information, and Broadcasting along with states. Khelo India scheme by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport. Ishan Uday by Ministry of Human Resource Development. Ishan Vikas by Ministry of Human Resource Development. Ajivika National Rural Livelihood Mission by Ministry of Rural Development. MG Nareka by Ministry of Rural Development. National Scheme Development Mission by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Ustad Scheme, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Prashad, Pilgrimage Rejuvenation and Spirituality Augmentation Drive by Ministry of Tourism. Hriday, National Heritage City Development and Augmentation Yojana by Ministry of Urban Development. Nai Manzil Scheme by Ministry of Minority Affairs. Nai Roshni Scheme by Ministry of Minority Affairs. Pradhan Mantri Khanij Kshetra Kalyan Yojana by Ministry of Mines. Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana by Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Amrit Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation by Ministry of Urban Development. Housing for All by 2022 Mission by Ministry of हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन पॉवर्टी एलिविएशन, ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट स्कीम हो सकती है फॉर द कमिंग एग्ज़ाम, बिकॉज अभी इसको 2022 से चेंज करके हमने नया टारगेट सेट किया है. सो दिस इज़ करेंटली इन न्यूज़. प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन पॉवर्टी एलिविएशन. प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना by Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin by Ministry of Rural Development. Smart City Scheme by Ministry of Urban Development. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Scheme by Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Human Resource Development. Digital Gudda Guddi Board by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Indira Gandhi Matritva Sahyog Yojana by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Integrated Child Development Service by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Sabla Rajiv Gandhi Scheme for Empowerment of Adolescent Girls by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Soil Health Card Scheme by Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare. PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. PM Gram Sinchai Yojana by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana again by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Price Stabilization Fund by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Kisan Crop insurance by Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Integrated Scheme for Agriculture and Marketing, ISHAM, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Midday Meal Scheme by Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan by Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Human Resource Development. These were all the important schemes which were in the news. So keep revising. Thank you and Jai Hind.